The Flowco Holdings Inc. FLOC, IPO is set to open for subscription on January 16, 2025, and will close on January 18, 2025. Here are some key details. Price band, $21 to $23 per share. Lot size, 1,000 shares. Total issue size, 17,600,000 shares. Aggregating to $387 million. Listing date, tentatively scheduled for January 21, 2025 on the New York Stock Exchange. NYSE. Flowco Holdings Inc. provides equipment and services to optimize the production of oil and natural gas wells. The company was formed in June 2024 through the merger of Flowco Production Solutions, Estes Compression, and Phlogistics II. The net proceeds from the IPO will be used to repay debt, redeem certain equity interests, and for general corporate purposes.